like several spots in about a 10-foot radius.
Okay.
We just need to see, you can see all the dots from all the hail.
Yeah, there's no fractures. That's a good thing.
That's good.
It'd be split open and look like a smiley face.
Okay.
So meaning this cover board, which feels like ice, a little spongy, kind of bounces off. If it fractured, you'd have a lot of contact damage, you know, long before now. Yeah. Long before now.
All right.
Yeah, so that's good. It held up pretty good because that soft metal over there I saw had some collateral damage, but you know, that's not.
Look at the AC. Look at that radiator there.
Look how good this held up. The hail wasn't too big over here. I mean, the largest one of these is going to be 80% of the diameter of the stone, so the hail was about a little over an inch.
Yeah.
It's a good roof for the most part.
Is it?
Install looks fairly decent. Got a nice mechanical slope going from the front to rear elevation. I think just putting some 96% solid, high solid silicone, problematic areas, will waterproof those areas, very inexpensive, and you should be taken care of.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, hey, I'm a roofer. I'd love to come up here
Sure.
and see a total from hail.
Yeah.
I've been like, hey, it's collateral damage loss, but it's not. Okay.
All right. That's good to know.
Yeah, absolutely. What we'll do is we'll put together a proposal for you.
Okay.
And a scope of work.
Okay.
Just to kind of
Is that
waterproof
something we could do to like just go over all the seams and stuff, or is that overkill?
No, it's what we like to call a roof tune-up or preventive maintenance. It's going to buy a lot more longevity to it because those are the areas that fail on these type of roofs are your curbs, your seams, your termination points on the base flashing, all your penetrations over here. So what we do is we do a tune-up, and we'll give you a proposal just with some silicone. We use a product called Geico. It's a high solid silicone. Put it over all that, and your problematic area over there where it's already failing, and over here in the center, you'll be fine.
All right.
Unless you get some big collateral loss, you're done.
All right.
I'll work that up for you. And
yeah, there's still, I mean, there's random spots over here and there. Just
if we hit the curbs and the seams, so Elias, let's put together something for a tune-up.
All right.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Anything else you need up here? No?
Sure. Good. All right, man.
That TPO system that we just inspected is about 7 or 8 years old. Has a couple areas that are failing. It looks like over by the collector heads towards the rear elevation where the water drains off, and then they had a hallway in the center by a penetration. We're going to offer them what we call a roof tune-up and some high solid silicones, the seams, termination points, penetrations, curbs, get that system back up to par and let it live its life out until the hail comes.